Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. It is always fun to learn mathematics through activities. So today in this video, we will make a working model of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. But before starting with this activity, let me tell you that we have many more Maths Art integrated projects, working models and activities on our channel Learning Notebook. You can find the list of all of them on our website as well. The link to our website is below in the description box. For this activity, we need few colorful thick sheets, a ruler, a black marker pen, a pencil, a compass, a pair of scissors, a protector and nut and bolt. Aim of this art integrated activity is to make a working model to learn trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, then do like, share and comment on our videos. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learning Notebook. So let's start and first understand trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Consider a triangle ABC right angled at B. Let angle A equals to theta. So, AB equals to base, BC will be the perpendicular and AC will be the hypotenuse. So students, sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is equals to BC by AC. Next, cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse, which is equals to AB by AC. Then tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base, which is equals to BC by AB. Cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is equals to AC by BC. Next we have secant theta, which is equals to hypotenuse upon base, which is equals to AC by AB. And lastly, cot theta equals to base upon perpendicular, which is equals to AB by BC. Students, these were the trigonometric ratios, but we have to understand trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So what are complementary angles? Two angles are complementary angles if their sum is 90 degrees. So again, let's consider the same triangle ABC right angled at B and angle A equals to theta. Since angle A equals to theta, so angle C will be 90 minus theta because both of them are complementary angles. Now, with respect to angle C, which side will be the base? Yes, BC. BC will be the base, AB will be the perpendicular and AC will be the hypotenuse. So let's find trigonometric ratios of complementary angle, that is 90 minus theta. So students, sin 90 minus theta will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is AB upon AC. Next, cos 90 minus theta equals to base upon hypotenuse, which is equals to BC upon AC. Then we have tan 90 minus theta, which is equals to perpendicular upon base, which is equals to AB upon BC. Next is cosec 90 minus theta, which is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is AC upon AB. Then we have secant 90 minus theta equals to hypotenuse upon base, that is AC upon BC. And lastly, cot 90 minus theta equals to base upon perpendicular, which is equals to BC upon AB. Students, we also found out that AB by AC is cos theta. Similarly, we found that BC by AC is sin theta. AB by BC is cot theta. AC by AB is secant theta. Then AC by BC is cosec theta and BC by AB is tan theta. So, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Students, to learn how to build table of trigonometric ratios in just 2 minutes, you can refer to our separate video. We also have one more maths project for chapter trigonometry. Here we will understand trigonometric ratios and make a project on it. The link to both these videos are available below in the description box. Now we will start with the activity. In the first step, take a red sheet of paper and draw a circle of radius 10 cm on it. Then carefully cut out this circle using pair of scissors. If you are enjoying watching videos on our channel, then do like, share and comment on our videos. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Learning Notebook. Next, take an orange colored sheet and draw a circle of 8 cm on it. Then carefully cut out this circle using pair of scissors. We have a separate video on complete chapter of trigonometry for class 10. I am sure all your doubts related to trigonometry would be resolved after watching this comprehensive video. Now, let's take the orange circle and we will draw and cut out an angle of 60 degree from it using a protractor. Students, do not cut till the center of the circle. So this is how it should look after cutting the angle of 60 degree. Then write a heading of the project on it, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now let's take the red circle. We will divide this circle into 6 equal parts, each of 60 degree, and we will take help of a protractor to do so. Now students, draw concentric circles of radius 5 cm and 8 cm as shown here. And next we will color the border of this circle with blue color. In the next step, we will write 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angle on the border of each of these 6 parts. Now let's take 1 A3 size cardboard and paste a yellow chart paper on it. Students, we have many interesting activities for class 10 like to understand criteria for similar triangles. Then we also have an activity to verify sum of first and natural numbers. And we also have a colorful activity to prove the Pythagoras theorem. So I would recommend you to watch these videos. The link to these videos are below in the description box. Now let's continue with our activity. First, place the red circle on this cardboard and then place the orange circle on it. Then locate their center and fix these circles on the cardboard using nut and bolt. Students, you should be able to rotate these circles as shown here. Now, let's complete the 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. First, we will write about sine 90 minus theta, which is equals to cos theta, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So, write it like this. Let's move to cos 90 minus theta, which is equals to sine theta, which is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Then we have tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta, which is perpendicular upon base. Next is cosec 90 minus theta equals to secant theta equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Secant 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta, which is equals to hypotenuse upon base. And last trigonometric ratio of complementary angle is cot 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta, which is equals to base upon perpendicular. So now our working model of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles is complete. If you are a teacher, this TLM will help you to teach students the concept of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles in a fun way. And if you are a student, this activity is very useful for you to make a maths project on this topic. So, this is the end of our video. Please share our videos and my channel further. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.